they both crashed right on the mountain here. Oh, Owen's sliding down to get him. Whoa! Whoa! Tumble down the mountain. You're stuck. Whoa, look at these tracks these things are laying. Oh, Owen's destroying them. Oh. Crash. All right, we're going to see if we can climb up. Up, and he made it. He made it. He knew it. All right, let's send him down again. Whoa, he almost went by himself. Whoa, he did a great job, and here comes Scorpion. Whoa, now here comes Owen. Whoa, that was a big jump. Whoa, that's a huge sand pile. Oh, you're so good, you made it. Whoa, did that wear you out? Oh, he flipped over right at the end. Oh, he landed in this. Okay, do it. Good job.
Can you do it one time?
I do want to see you do it one more time. All right. Great job. Yeah, that's good landing on the edge right there. All right, back up to the top. Oh man, from you climbing, it's not very smooth. Oh, it's a rough terrain for the guys, rough terrain.